In this video, I'll show you how to restart your Samsung Smart TV. This can solve many different issues and it only takes a few minutes. So there's two ways how to do it. So if the first way I'm showing you does not solve your issue, try the other method I will show you right after the first one. So take your remote control, find the power button. Even if your remote control does not look like mine over here, it's the same exact thing you need to do. And you're gonna need to keep it pressed while pointing at the TV and while the TV is on during 10 seconds. Do not release the button. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then release the button. So the TV shut down and power back on by itself while you were holding the power button. Now go ahead and check if everything is working properly. Let me show you how to do a full restart. So while the TV is turned on, remove the power outlet, disconnect it. Now under your Samsung TV, there should be a button. Mine is located right over here on the right side, but yours can be located in the middle or even on the left side. What you need to do is to keep press this button during 30 seconds. Do not let it go. Even if the TV is currently unplugged, this will remove any remaining charge. After 30 seconds, you can release the button. Now it's time to wait 5 minutes. Do not do anything, do not touch the TV. After this 5 minutes has passed, take the power cable and we'll connect it directly to a wall socket. Do not connect to a power strip because sometimes this is causing the problem. After doing this, it's time to turn on your Samsung TV, and what you need to do is to turn it on using the same button you used previously. Do not use the remote control. So just by tapping it once, the TV should turn on and your problem should be gone. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.